you now looking at applying to tertiary institutions in the country, but you don't know which of the schools forms are still available in the system, then look no further. In this video, I'll be giving you a full breakdown of all the universities or all the schools in the country whose forms are still available in the system that you can still apply to, the ones that are out of the system when admission is going to start, and as to whether you want to apply as a regular student or an awaiting student, as supposed to go about the entire application process. I'm here to educate you, okay? My name is Desmond. You can call me Don Holy. I'm an educational coach. I guess students that want to apply to tertiary institutions in the country, so they better understand the educational system before they take up the bold step of applying for their dream career. And as well, if you want to buy the form myself, you can. And the best thing is that if you buy the form from me, you get free online filling. If you want traveling passport, birth certificate, gazette, just name them, business certificates, you can get all of them from me, and I'll do them for you as soon as possible. Okay, so my number is right on your screen. Pick it up, contact me, and I'll take you through. Now let's move right into the video. I've had a lot of messages from people asking, is admission over? When is the deadline? Where can I buy my form? When are they starting admission and all of that? So I thought it was wise to come and then educate the general public on when exactly all of these things are going to be out of the system, so you better understand how the things are going to work. Okay, the first and foremost is that when is the deadline of the university? As of now, there are some of the schools that whose forms are still not available in the system. A typical example is what? UDS, University of Development Studies, Tamale. Okay, their forms are still not available in the system. They've closed admission some month ago, and then the Nursing Training College too, their forms are still not available. Okay, they have ended their admission somewhere in June. Okay, now those of you who are looking forward to apply to nursing school, or those of you who want to pursue your career in nursing, if you're a science student, then there's a good news for you, because you can apply to any of the universities and then pursue your dream career there. This is for only science students. If you're a home economics student, general arts students, if you want to apply, then you apply to private university. Okay, the public universities accept only science students per my knowledge. Okay, if in case you have a protocol to do and there's someone did a protocol and had it, that one is out of control. But per my knowledge, the public university accept only general science students. If you are home economics or general arts students, then the best place for you to pursue your dream career, as in acquiring your degree, is what? The private universities. So now, all the universities, being the technical universities or the public universities or the private universities, their forms are still available in the system. Okay, the only one that is not available, as I've stated earlier, is what? UDS, University of Development Studies, Tamale. That's the only university whose form is not available in the system yet. All the remaining ones are still available, so you can apply. Nursing Training College form is still not available, so you cannot apply to Nursing Training College. Teacher Training College, those of you who are looking for to apply to Teacher Training College, your forms are still available in the system, so you can still apply to Teacher Training College if that is where you want to pursue that's where you want to channel your energy in pursuing your dream career. I hope you understand. And if you want any of these things, you can actually reach out to me and buy your form. Now, the Teacher Training College would have their deadline on just 31st of what? September. So if you want to apply to Teacher Training College, make sure you buy your form, fill it before 31st of what? September, right? They will be starting admission somewhere around October, November, thereabouts. So that is when their admission will start. For the universities, as the norm goes, they wait until WASSCE result is out before they close their portal. Okay, unlike UDS that closes it very early, other universities will wait until WASSCE result is out before they close their portal. Being it University of Ghana, Legon, UMAT, University of Mines and Technology, University of Health and Other Sciences, who has just named all the technical universities, they will wait until WASSCE result is out. So if you are not completing school and you want to apply to any of these institutions, you can still wait. Okay, after the result is being released, you still have 2 weeks maximum to buy the form before they close the admission portal. However, UCC had a different thing all around. Okay, so this is how UCC own works. Okay, so with UCC, those of you who have completed several years ago, I mean, those who completed last year, last 2 years, and those who generally have results that have applied to UCC, you'll be receiving your admission letter probably by this October they're about to go in. Okay, you'll be receiving your admission letter by that time, but the admission will still continue. Okay, they have 2 batches of admission coming in. I mean, the first one, which is for those who have completed school years ago, and the second one that would come for those who will be applying as an awaiting student. Okay, but there is no need to wait. But there's no need to what? To panic. If in case you have not applied to UCC yet, but are still looking at applying and then all of that, you still can apply now. Okay, so from now to somewhere October, you'll be receiving your admission letter. So those of you who have your result but you want to receive your admission letter early, then I advise you apply to UCC. Okay. However, if in case your main target is to go to a different school, I mean school like KNUST, Legon and all of that, then applying to UCC at this time won't be the best option I can advise you to do. Okay. Reason being that UCC will give you admission earlier ahead of time, which literally means that what you'll be stuck as to whether you should go to UCC or you should go to Legon or go to KNUST. However, you don't even know KNUST or University of Ghana Legon will even offer you admission, so you may end up paying for UCC. Meanwhile, your dream university is KNUST or Legon. They will later come and give you admission when result is out. So the best advice I can give to you is, in case you want to apply to UCC but your dream university is either KNUST or Legon, then I will advise that you wait. When they release their first batch of admission, then you apply after that time. At that time, they will add it to those who apply as an awaiting student and give you admission after the release of what? The WASSCE result. But at that time, there is what? There is so much tension in that at that point, you have limited slots available for people, right? So if in case the result you are coming to use to apply is not even that good, then there is a high probability that what? You may get rejected, okay? There's a probability that you may get rejected. So this is all about it. The admission deadline for schools, I mean teacher training college, will be end on 31st of this month. For universities, it will continue till WASSCE result is out, and then 2 weeks after they will close the admission portal, and then they'll start giving out admission messages to the various qualified candidates. Okay, I hope this video is helpful, and if you find so much insight in this video, the subscribe button is just looking right in front of you. Hit it up, like the video, and share the video with anyone so that they can also follow and learn a lot about the educational journey.